everyone, this is Dr. Paz, and I have received several questions from the class and some concerns that I'm addressing via this video. If you'll notice, I've changed a little bit the instructions, right? So in Vista Beans, you want to see this Word document right here for the case instructions. You will be using this item right here, the Access database, as your data source for the case. And you must use Tableau for your visualizations. I changed this. I would recommend that you don't use PowerPoint or Google Slides for the presentation that you're creating. But if that's the only tool you know, and I'd rather you use the tool then than not submit the assignment. What I highly recommend is Microsoft Sway or an Adobe Spark product, which is free. Microsoft Sway comes as part of your IUP account. If you have another tool that you want to use, go ahead, feel free. You don't have to get my approval. So if we look at the Vista Beans case, basically you have a scenario, and you'll read through the case, the introduction, the scenario, the software, and the data, and then you will, I'm going to change this here, sorry. Then you will go ahead and look at the requirements. So what you're going to have, and this does not have to be a group project. It could be a group of one. So if you do want to work with your classmates, you're more than welcome to. Everybody gets the same grade. And then, but if you want to work alone, you can. And what you're going to do is just prepare a report for your recommendations as to how the company can maximize profit. And your report should include outputs from Tableau. And your report should have at least 3 visualizations to support your recommendation. And it will have a short description of what you did, the data analytics that you went through, and how you used it. Very short, but the key is going to be in here. So right, the visualizations, you can attach it at the end of the document or embed it within the text. I would recommend embedding it within the text. And the text for the project itself is 3 or 4 spaces describing the visualization. You are going to turn in all of this via D2L, and then you're going to have your actual report and your final Tableau file. And if you are working in a group, I only need 1 Tableau file, but I do need you to put the visualizations in the document in case I can't open your file. And you can work in groups, that's fine too. And then since we're not meeting in class, this is more asynchronous. Just be sure that you will have recommendations based on what you found. And then I can go ahead and I'll give you the feedback and everything through D2L. So I hope this helps clarify a little bit about Vista Beans. Under the circumstances, I totally understand. So if you don't want to work in a group, you don't have to. Just if you want to use PowerPoint slides, but you are submitting either, you're submitting your project in some fashion, and it would be a Word document and then some way to present the visualizations. And if you just want one Word document with the visualizations, that's fine too. So I hope that helps. Thanks.